Laser glass drilling is a non-contact process that enables high-speed, high-quality, and high-precision drilling. It can create holes ranging from micro-scale openings to large holes, in shapes from circular to irregular. The hole size, position, and angle can be precisely controlled, significantly enhancing production efficiency and processing accuracy. Choose Senzed glass drilling machine to break through limitations and unlock new possibilities for glass products. Follow us to learn more about cutting-edge laser processing solutions and embrace the era of intelligent manufacturing.